You step out of the shower, grab a towel, and instinctively reach for a cotton swab. It feels clean. It feels responsible. And when you pull it out and see that little smear of yellow on the bright white cotton, it feels like proof that you just did something good for your body. But that tiny trace of wax is only surface debris. The main mass often stays hidden deeper inside the ear canal, and the swab does not pull it out. It pushes it in. Your ear canal is a narrow, sensitive tube lined with delicate skin and nerve endings, ending at the eardrum. Inside it, your body produces cerumen, or earwax. Earwax is not dirt. It is a protective substance designed to trap dust, bacteria, and debris before they reach the deeper parts of the ear. And your ear already has its own self-cleaning system. The skin inside the canal slowly migrates outward, carrying old wax with it. Even normal jaw movement from chewing and talking helps move wax toward the opening, where it dries and flakes away on its own. The problem starts the moment a blunt cotton tip enters that narrow space. A standard swab is almost the same width as the ear canal itself. That means it cannot slide behind the wax and lift it out. Instead, it acts like a piston. Every push shoves the wax deeper, overpowering the ear's natural outward cleaning system. Over time, that wax gets compacted into a dense plug right against the eardrum. That is the plunger effect. And the result can be pressure, ringing in the ears, pain, and muffled hearing. In severe cases, doctors have to remove the blockage with microsuction or irrigation because pushing on it any further could damage the eardrum. So if you want cleaner ears, the answer is not pushing deeper. It is stepping back and letting your body do what it was designed to do. Subscribe to our channel for more clear, visual breakdowns of how the human body really works.